How to download and install Uber application on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Uber application on your Android. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply search in for Uber application itself and you should see the option that is second option. There you can easily download it from over here. Simply tap on install button to successfully download it. Based on your internet connection, it will be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. And using this application you can book a ride from wherever you want and to wherever you want to go, like any destination of the available regions or area throughout the city. So once it's successfully downloaded, you can simply tap on this open button to open the application and get started with the login or sign in option onto the Uber account, just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.